Hi guys, going to put another one of these BEANO paper planes together, fold it. This one is number 4, which is that one, which to be honest is about as standard as you can get, isn't it? Fold the corners in, fold them in again, fold the nose back and fold the wings out. I'll put that on the floor. Okay. Fold the corners in. This is really your basic paper dart, isn't it? On some of these books or kits, they give them fancy names, but they haven't attempted to do that here. They're just calling them model number 1, model number 2, model number 3, model number 4. Right, this just folds straight over again. Okay, and fold this one back so it just comes up to the join. And fold it that way. Try and keep that up together. And then along that line. There we go, that's got to be your absolute basic standard schoolboy paper dart, isn't it? Although I do remember we used to leave the point sticking out so you could try and spear somebody in the eye with it. That's it. Done, number 4. Let's see how well we can throw it. It is nice and sunny, but the grass is wet outside, so there's no point in going out and trying to fly it outdoors, because every time it hits the grass it will get wet. Well, the phone just crashed on me, so I've no idea whether we've actually recorded any of the glides or not. That's disappointing because we've had some good shots. Summary time. Well, number 4 is probably the best one so far, and it's one of the old standard shapes. So I suppose that just sort of shows you can't beat the old ones. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.